Hi there, it's Denise here, how to stay fit over 50.com or denisesanger.com. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about why do some women gain weight after menopause or hysterectomy? It's a very good question. This is my computer. This is my office at the gym. So new view for you today. There's my yoga blocks behind me. I just finished teaching 3 classes. Anyway, so let's get to it. Why do some women gain weight after menopause or hysterectomy? Okay, I've been doing a lot of research, and from the majority of the women that gain weight after they go through menopause or especially after they have a hysterectomy or after menopause, the main reason seems to be with the hysterectomy having the ovaries removed, and after menopause because the ovaries are basically no longer functioning. Those hormones that the ovaries provide for us after menopause, and if you, like me, you had a hysterectomy, it would have kicked you into immediate menopause, and the ovaries are just not there to provide the hormones that help us not only with our overall well-being, because you know how crazy it is with the hot flashes, the mood swings. My husband used to say to me, Denise, don't you need to go to the gym? Because I would be like ready to just strangle him sometimes. But it also affects our muscle. Our muscle, how much muscle there is in our body. We have to be very careful with our bones, making sure we get enough vitamin D. That was one thing that happened to me after my hysterectomy. I went in for my annual, I think it was maybe 3 or 4 years after the hysterectomy. And the doctor calls me and she says, I need to see you right away. So I went in. I didn't know what was going on. I mean, what else can there be? They already took everything out of me. And one of the blood panel came back that I was dangerously low in vitamin D. So they started me on 10,000 IU vitamin D, well, actually 80K, because you need A and K to be able to absorb the D. So 10,000 IU to get that vitamin D back up. And I'm telling you, within 3 days, I was feeling much better. So make sure you're keeping an eye on your vitamin D. There's so many things that go into it after you have a hysterectomy or a menopause. But it seems to be the majority of women that gain weight, back to that, is that their ovaries are not functioning after menopause, or like me, they had surgically induced menopause. So what do? That leads us back to the question of hormones. Now, I've talked to you about it. I was taking the BioT pellets in my hip, and I was good for like 24 months. It wasn't an issue. And then I wasn't feeling the same results anymore. I mean, my energy was slacking off again. The sex drive was back tanked. Really wasn't interested in that anymore, which it did initially help. But most importantly, there was hair growing all over the place, like my chin. I still pick at it, chin, and places that women aren't supposed to be getting hair, I was getting hair. So that was because of the increase in the testosterone. Then the other thing was the estrogen patch. I would put it on my belly. And again, I was feeling really good in the beginning, and then I was back to having that same problem again. So I stopped taking that. Now, as women, we have to be very careful about the estrogen, especially if there's a genetic history of breast cancer, I believe. So be very careful with that. Don't just go out and take that. So, what are we at? Back to the beginning, I guess. I am just like you. If you're on this channel looking for some quick fix, you ain't going to find it with me, because I am walking the walk with you. I have told you I'm down 15 pounds, which I am, and I'm still really working on it. Right now I'm incorporating Pilates into my fitness classes, because most women, I'm 59 now, it's been, I want to say 6 years since my hysterectomy, but most women are struggling with the same thing I am in the weight in the midsection. So eat clean. For me, the majority of my diet is vegetables. And get this, I was on vacation. I was only on vacation for 2 flipping days, and what happens? I gain weight. I'm like, are you kidding me? I go away for 2 days. I didn't think I was eating that bad, but just by getting knocked off my normal routine, I gained a couple pounds, so I'm back on track today. You have to drink your water. You have to. That's the first thing I work with on my clients. You must drink the water your body needs. That's half your weight in ounces. So as an example, keeping it simple, if you weigh 200 pounds, that's 100 ounces of water daily. Every day. Yes, you're going to be peeing a lot in the beginning, but your body needs it. And that's going to benefit you more than anything. And like I said, it's the first thing that our clients start with, my clients start with, is working on getting the water that your body needs. So starting there, I'm going to continue adding on to this. I'm going to give you, different things that walking you into the weight loss, but I want you to really think about it. If you feel you need more, I really would recommend that you get on track with me with the online fitness classes or the plus size fitness program. Again, if you are looking for a quick fix, you will not find it here. That's not my protocol. That's not what I do. We do it smart, we do it habit changing, and we do it one step at a time. I'm going to leave you with the step today. Water. Half your body weight in ounces in water daily. Remember, whatever is going on, you can do it. No matter what happens, you just get right back on track the next meal. Okay? I love you all. I'll be updating again probably in a couple days. I'm trying to be updating this channel twice a week. Bye. Get me over at howtostayfitover50.com. And I'll also put the link so that you can join me in the plus size fitness program or the online fitness program. Just got to get moving and you can do it. Bye.